Hello friends, do you all want to know about me? Yes, I will tell you about me and my family members. But first I will tell you about me. I am a boy. I am a boy. Hello. Meet my father. He is my father. Hello, father. Meet the next person from my family. He is my uncle. Hello. Meet the naughty person from my family. Yes, he is my brother. And meet my favorite, the root of the family. Yes, not other than my grandfather. They are the family members of my family. Me, father, uncle, brother, and my grandfather. And they all are the men. And for the men, we have to use he in place of them. We have to use he. He, he. And today we are going to listen the story of he. The story of he. My grandfather. I will tell you about my grandfather. Grandfather takes me to the garden. Grandfather takes me to the garden. Grandfather plays with me. Grandfather plays with me. Grandfather tells me stories. Grandfather tells me stories. Now children, you all understood. Instead of telling always grandfather, we can use in place of grandfather he. He takes me to the garden. Grandfather takes me to the garden. We can say he takes me to the garden. He plays with me. Grandfather plays with me. In place of grandfather, we can say he plays with me. He tells me stories. Same like grandfather. If we are saying about the father, now I will read the sentence using father. Father takes me to the garden. Father takes me to the garden. Father plays with me. Father plays with me. Father tells me stories. Father tells me stories. Now again, instead of using all the times father, we can use he. He takes me to the garden. He plays with me. He tells me stories. So children, they are the male person from my family, and we have to use, instead of telling their names or their relations again and again, we can use he. He. For the male gender, we can use he. In your English textbook, on page number 77, there is the story of he. We'll do the activity I read. Here one boy is there. We'll read the story what the boy is saying. The name of the boy is Sid. Read what Sid did yesterday. Sid went to the mall. Sid went to the mall. Sid played with a ball. Sid played with a ball. Sid played on the slide. Sid ate chips. So instead of always sit using Sid, we can use in place of Sid he. So we'll read the next sentence. Sid went to the mall. Next, he. Here we used Sid played with a ball. Sid played with a ball. But instead of saying Sid again and again, we can say he played with a ball. Again, Sid played on the slide. So here we used he played on the slide. Sid ate chips. So we can use he ate chips. So children, you all understood? For boy, for male person, always saying their names or relation, we can use he, he. He. So this is the story of he.